Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Monday, March 16th, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through the usage of the ObjectStudio transcript and how to make a few small changes that makes the use of that transcript a little more productive. To get started, let's open up the transcript as it exists. And this is the old ObjectStudio transcript. One of the problems you'll notice with it is that it is not copyable. So let's see how that works. Let's go here to the workspace and I'll just start typing something. We'll put in the string foo and we'll say out, and then do a Smalltalk execute, and that's how you normally put things to the transcript in ObjectStudio. You can send out to any object. So I can send the message out to anything, so I can do one out and do that, Smalltalk execute, and you see it puts the one. So that's really how I send things to the transcript in ObjectStudio. Now the difficulty, of course, is that sometimes you want to use the transcript for debug printing when you're debugging something that it is kind of hard to debug, and you'd like to just drop messages there and then copy them and maybe put them in an email or something like that. And the ObjectStudio transcript doesn't make that easy. However, keep in mind that ObjectStudio 8 is built on top of VisualWorks, so you have access to the VisualWorks transcript. And to make use of that, I put together a little package, and I'm going to go to that now. So I'm going to connect to the public repository, and if you go here in the non-commercial, you'll find you've already got everything you need to connect to that repository. So now we're going to go to Published Items. And the one we want is use the, and here we go, use, and I've got a space in there, which is why I didn't find it immediately, use VW Transcript in OST 8. So let's go ahead and load that. And once that's loaded, let's try opening a transcript now. Tools, Transcript. And you'll find that I get a slightly different window. I've also got this one here, but I can ignore that one. So I've got the system transcript. And now let's go and open an ObjectStudio workspace. And we'll try doing one out and do a Smalltalk execute. And there it went to the transcript here. And since I've got a regular transcript window from VisualWorks, I can do things like copy that text and then paste it somewhere else. So all I've done is gone ahead and overridden a few small things. Let's go to the browser and see what I've done to do this. And let's go down and find that package. And you see I've gone into Global Dictionary. And what I've done is commented this out so that we don't need to open up an ObjectStudio transcript whenever we summon one. And then scrolling down a bit, Open Program window is how ObjectStudio opens a transcript. I've commented out the actual code here that opens up the ObjectStudio transcript and put in this, Text Collector View Open on a transcript. So that'll open up the standard VisualWorks transcript, and I just copied that text right out of the Visual Launcher in VisualWorks. And then all I did is go into the three places where I've got out implemented in the system that I could find. And you see here, and I've changed from this primitive that dumps stuff out to core.transcript, show, self, and then I put a carriage return to kind of mimic the way ObjectStudio does things. And of course you can use this yourself and then get standard VisualWorks type transcript behavior in ObjectStudio 8 and allow yourself to copy, cut, paste, all those cool things. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.